Hi everyone, welcome to Baking Soda Kitchen. Today we're going to do Mango Potato Drumstick Masala. Before that, why don't you head down and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified every time we post a new recipe. Now let's get on to today's video. So these are the ingredients required. One potato, I peeled the skin and soaked in water so that it won't discolor. And one drumstick. And one raw mango. Okay, now in a pan, we add the drumstick. And the potatoes. I'm just adding the potatoes without the water. And then salt to taste. I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water and bring this to boil. So now put the lid on and cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to check whether it's cooked. Yeah, it has cooked well. You can use a fork to check whether the potatoes are cooked. And then now I'm going to add the raw mango. We have to add it now so that it won't be overcooked. Okay, give a nice stir and put the lid on and cook for about 8 minutes. Now the mangoes are cooked as well. Now it's time to add all the spices, which will be 1 tablespoon of chili powder and then about half tablespoon of coriander powder, next will be half teaspoon of garam masala, and half teaspoon of cumin powder, and pepper to taste. You can skip the pepper if you don't want it to be spicy. If you like more spicy, you can put on more pepper. It's just your preference. And mix well so that every vegetables are coated well. Mix it gently so that our mangoes won't break. Then now bring it to boil and thicken it. And now I'm going to add the tamarind water. I took a small piece of tamarind and soaked for 15 minutes. I removed the excess pulp and I just pour the water in. So it gives a nice sour taste to the masala. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of sugar to caramelize it. You can skip it if you want. Gently mix it. It's almost ready now. It's ready to serve. It will go well with rice. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Our Tamil recipe will be posted at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.